The next student is Amira Maria, whose topic is the plight of Palestine.
نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد قال الله تعالى في كلامه أنه من قتل نفسا بغير نفس أو فساد في الأرض فكأنما قتل الناس جميعا ومن أحياها فكأنما أحيا الناس جميعا. The plight of Palestine means the destruction of the entire Ummah. Respected teachers, guests and honorable judges, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, we gather here to reflect on a tragedy that has plagued the heart of the Muslim Ummah for over 7 decades. The ongoing suffering of the Palestinian people. Palestinian struggle is not just a cry of justice. It's a blistering battle for the most fundamental human rights that every living soul on this planet should inherit by birthright. The plight of Palestine is not just a plight of Palestinians. It is the plight of every Muslim and indeed every human being who believes in justice and peace. Respected teachers, but let us ask ourselves, why should the struggle of Palestine concern us so deeply? The answer is clear, that the Palestinians, much like African, Ukrainian, Russian, American, and the United States, have been subjected to a heart-wrenching history of suffering and torment. Palestine is not just a piece of land, it is the heart of the Muslim Ummah. When Palestine suffers, we all suffer. The destruction of the Palestine is not simply the destruction of a nation, but the destruction of the very essence of our unity. The injustice faced by the Palestinians affect the moral fabric of our community. Honorable guests, as an Ummah, we must remember our strength lies in our unity. We cannot afford to turn a blind eye to the suffering of our brothers and sisters. Let us not forget the words of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who said, "Al-Muslimun karajulin wahidin, in ishtaka aynuhu, ishtaka kulluhu, wa in ishtaka ra'suhu, ishtaka kulluhu." Today, Palestine is that suffering part of body. Let us stand together as one ummah to support the Palestinians in their struggle for justice and peace. Thanks. Wassalam.